Hey, I'm here in Redlands, California. I'm about to do a video home tour, open house of this house right behind me. So you're gonna get to see the inside, the outside, the neighborhood, the whole thing. My name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod, the Realtor. All my contact information's in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any real estate questions whatsoever. So let's check it out. All right, let's go on in the house. All right, off to the right here, we have a dining room and a bar. I'll show you the bar again later. We go this way, we come into the living room. There's a fireplace and open kitchen to the living room. Good sized kitchen. And let's take a look at that bar again a little closer. All right, so there's the wet bar and a nice party room. And then over here, we have a half bath with a door out to the outside. And we have an extra room over here without a closet. This would be an office or bonus room. Then on the other end of the house, we have a room with a slider out to the outside, large closet, and a 3/4 bath. Double sinks, toilet, and a shower off in the corner. And then upstairs, here we have 2 rooms and a bathroom. Room number 1. And room number 2. And a full bath. Okay, and out back, there's a fenced-in yard, dog run or something off to the right here. And it's a reasonably nice-sized little yard. And then this is fenced in separately as well. And then this side is open to the top part, which is also fenced. I don't know if you can see the chain link from the distance here, but at the top of that slope, there's a chain link fence. And a gate here with access down to the street. And this again goes over to the slider in the bedroom on the downstairs level. My name's Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod, the Realtor. All my contact information's in the description below.